So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Remember that one time we got to hang out with Bowie the rainbow and learn about rain? Yeah, that was so much fun. Why don't you and I draw Bowie together? All right, I'm gonna take black and draw some lines like this to make clouds. There we go. Yeah, there we go. And we need two big arches like that. Whoa! Yeah! There we go. And now, two circles for his eyes. There we go. And a big smile because he is nice and happy. There we go. We can't forget about his eyebrows up there. And then his arms. Whoa! Yeah! And his hands right up there. Whoa! Whoa, Bowie was so fun, wasn't he? Whoa! I sure do love drawing. And Bowie, you're fun too. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye, Bowie. Bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
The rain will be gone soon, Tabs? Great! Since I just finished my fun painting. Can you guess what it is? Wow, Tabs! Exactly right! It is a penguin holding a cup of tea while rollerblading through a jungle. So many colors! Whoa! A rainbow! So many colors! I wonder, how does a rainbow get its colors? Great idea, Tabs. We can fly up and ask the rainbow and find out. But first, I'm gonna need wings.
Wing confirmed.
Let's go explore! Activate Blippi Station! The Blippi-mobile is ready for adventure. Let's go find out how a rainbow gets its colors.
Guys and gals, attention please. The Big Blue Sky is proud to present nature's greatest influencer. I'm Bowie the Rainbow.
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm a big fan, Bowie. I know all your colors.
Thank you. I'm very proud of my colors. Let me show them off one by one. I don't.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet.
Wonderful job, Blippi. You know, today's a big day. We're doing a double rainbow showstopper. Oh, you must be part of my performance.
Really? I'd be honored, but I don't know how you get all your colors. Could you show me?
Of course, superfan Blippi. First, let's check out this puffy cloud called a cumulus cloud. Ooh, it looks like it just rained too, which is perfect. That means there are lots of water droplets in the air.
Wow, this cloud has so many teeny drops of water.
Hashtag true. Okay, next step. Position the cloud so the sunlight shines true to water droplets, like this. Now, when the light goes true to water, it bends, or refracts, and separates the light into all the colors of the rainbow. Voila!
That is awesome! I think I have the answer to my question. How does a rainbow get all its different colors? It's when the sunlight shines through water. It bends the light and separates the light into all the colors of the rainbow. Upload answer, Tabs.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Wow!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. How you doing? All right, see you later, Blippi.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!